Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you a tutorial of this beautiful knitting pattern. For me this pattern looks very elegant and it reminds me of a Korean hand fan. This pattern would look great on cardigans, tops, tunics, as well as stoles, shawls, and even tablecloth. It is an open work pattern, and before we start I want to talk about the pattern design, and here is the chart for it. For this tutorial I have 3 multiples of 8 stitches, 1 stitch for the symmetry and 2 for the edges, so we need to cast on 27 stitches in total. And this pattern repeats every 8 rows. With no further ado, let's get to it. You will need to cast on 27 stitches. Let's start the first row, slip the edge stitch, purl 1, and now we have 7 stitches of double purl. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. 1 purl and 7 double purls. We're going to repeat this pattern until the end of row 1. Purl 1 and double purl 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This was our second multiple of 8 stitches. Now we have the last multiple of 8. Again, purl 1 and double purl 7 stitches. This is 7. Now we have 2 stitches left, purl 1 for symmetry and purl the edge stitch. This is the end of row 1. Let's start row 2, slip the edge stitch, knit 1, and now we have 7 stitches that we're going to slip to the other needle. These 7 stitches that we made double purl in last row, take these 7 long stitches and put them back on the other needle, and through the front loop we now need to knit 7 stitches. This is how we do. We knit 1, put the stitch back on the left needle, and through the back loop here we knit 1 stitch. So this is 1. Repeat, knit 1, slip it back on the left needle, and through here, through the back loop, we knit 1 stitch again. So this is 2. 3, this is 4, and try to make the stitches long. This is 5, six, and one more, 7. Now we can let the other stitches go. This is our first multiple of 8 of the second row. We should have 7 stitches. Now repeat, knit 1 and slip 7 stitches to the right needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Slip the 7 stitches back on the left needle. And we need to knit 7 stitches. 1, put it back on the left needle, knit through the back loop. Again, knit 1, put it back through the back loop, knit 1 again, so this is 2 stitches. 3, and once your hand get used to the pattern, you will do it faster. This is the last one. Now we'll let the other stitches go, and we're done with the second multiple of 8 stitches. This is 1 and this is 2. We have one more multiple of 8, and knit that on your own, and I will see you then. Once we're done with the third multiple of 8, we have 2 stitches left. Knit 1 for the symmetry and purl the edge stitch. This is the end of row 2. Rows 3 and 4 are identical. Let's slip the edge stitch and knit 1 stitch separately until the end of the row. Knit 1 until the end of row 3, and don't forget to purl the edge stitch. Let me fast forward it a little bit. This is what we should have by the end of row 3, and row 4 is the same as row 3. Slip the edge stitch and knit 1 until the end of the row. We have crocheted row 4, and this is what we have so far. Let's continue to row 5. Start with slipping the edge stitch, purl 1, and double purl next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Purl 1 and double purl next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1, double purl 7 stitches. We should have 6 stitches left. Purl 1 and double purl 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now purl 1 for the symmetry and purl the edge stitch. We are done with row 5. Let's start row 6 and slip the edge stitch, knit 1. Now we have 3 stitches that we will slip onto the other needle and slip them back through the front loop, knit 1, put it back and knit 1. So this is our first stitch. 2 more. The second one and the last one. 3, now knit 1 and we have 7 stitches. Slip onto the other needle. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Slip them back onto the left needle and through the front loop. From the front post we knit 1, put it back on the left needle and knit 1 again. This is our first stitch. 6 more to go. Two, 3, 4, 6, and the last one. 7. Let go the other stitches. This is what we should have. Knit 1, again slip 7 stitches onto the right needle to create long stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put them back onto the right stitch and knit 7 stitches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. Knit 1, and we have 3 stitches. Slip them on the right needle, put them back, and knit 3 stitches through here. We have 2 stitches left. Knit 1 and purl the edge stitch. This is the end of row 6. For row 7, slip the edge stitch and knit 1 until the end of the row. Knit each stitch separately. Row 7 and 8 are identical. We are finishing up row 7 and purl the edge stitch. This is what we have so far and our last row in the repeat. Slip the edge stitch and knit 1 each stitch separately. We are done with 8 rows. This is what we have. I hope you like this pattern. Now you need to repeat 8 rows again. This is the end of our tutorial. I hope the tutorial was detailed enough and I inspired you in your future projects. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Emin. My grandma made this channel, so it's Grandma's Adventure, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.